Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting fast. Ensure the machine has steady power, unplug external drives, and set BIOS or UEFI to boot from your recovery USB. Once done, boot into the recovery environment or live media. This prevents the damaged OS from loading and lets you run repairs safely. You do this because recovery tools need exclusive access to system disks. Make sure to note the exact error text now. It guides which repair commands to prioritize next. You run automatic repair first because it often fixes boot configuration automatically. Let it finish and reboot. If problems persist, open command prompt in recovery and run bootrec commands to repair MBR. Write a new boot sector. Scan and rebuild the boot store. These rewrite what the firmware needs to start Windows. Then run chkdsk to fix file system errors and sfc to restore corrupt system files. These steps target both disk integrity and bootmare data, so the OS can load again. You finish by rebooting and confirming the OS loads. If it does, reset BIOS boot order and reconnect peripherals. If it still fails, choose System Restore or reset this PC to revert recent changes or refresh system files without losing data. Once done, test again. If none of that works, restore a previously made system image or perform a clean install, but back up your data from the live USB first. If you hit errors, try running the bootrec sequence again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.